Hey YouTube, I was wondering why this computer is not turning on. I mean, power's plugged in, the switch is on, the green LED is on, but when I push the power button right here, let's see, the fan spins a little like so, and it won't turn on. I don't know why. It was working earlier. Now it doesn't work anymore. It's not even my computer. This belonged to my sister's boyfriend, and my computer's over here working just fine. So, can someone explain to me why this thing's not working? This everything's on, but nothing else is working. Could be the power supply. Could be the motherboard. I don't know. You could leave a comment below explaining why it's not working. Thanks.